What is up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be talking about a very actually interesting topic about the differences and what is actually better if you're just starting out with online journey, a social media marketing agency or Shopify dropshipping. Because I do both of these businesses and I just want to share with you my experience and give you my thought process so you would not make the same mistakes that I've done myself. So this is, if you feel this is video for you, so sit back, relax, and let's just get started. So first thing I want to cover is a social media marketing agency is way actually a little bit harder to start from just scratch if you are new to online marketing. Compared to Shopify dropshipping, you can literally start with like no technical skills or anything like that, and you can start as low as I was mentioning, like $500, your own online business. Whether we compare it to a social media marketing agency, you would have to develop a little bit different other skills because it's all comes down to a sales. Because with social media marketing agency, if you know how to sell, you'll be good. You're all set. Compared to dropshipping Shopify, you gotta do a little bit different stuff. So with that being said, you're probably thinking, okay, which one is better and which one is gonna work for you? So it all comes down what kind of person you are, what have you done in the past, and what are your experience with online marketing. If you're just starting out with online business and you have no idea, you gotta look at yourself and think about your past experience. If you have maybe some experience with sales, so I would definitely recommend you to go after a social media marketing agency. Just put a couple packages, you do Facebook ads and social media management, and then you don't have even to do it yourself. You can literally find someone on Upwork or freelancer.com and outsource the services and pocket the rest. So you would just go out there and sell your services, whether it's cold calling or door to door. And also on my channel, I was teaching how you can actually automate and start getting your clients through Facebook ads. But as I'm saying, if you have some experience in sales and you're more like kind of extrovert, I would definitely suggest you to start with social media marketing agency, because this is it's going to be easier for you way to create a cash flow. So then you can then in future use that money to put it inside to test ads on Shopify and start creating like real actual business or brand with drop shipping. So then on the other hand, if you if you kind of don't feel like you have experience with sales and you don't feel like you want to go out there and talk to people, I would definitely suggest you to go after a Shopify dropshipping model, because then you can actually work from home, test a bunch of different ads, and but also you gotta see how disciplined you are, because discipline is very important thing. So if you would be able to to sit like 5-10 hours a day doing product research, launching a bunch of different ads, and you feel like this is something that you would do instead of go out there, talk to people and trying to sell your services, I would definitely suggest you again to go with Shopify dropshipping. It's would be the better fit for you. So this as I'm saying again, compared to what kind of where are you in your life and what are your skills, your background so far, you gotta choose what is gonna work for you the best. So this is my overview of which one you would go after. As I'm saying again, social media marketing agency or Shopify. Both of these businesses are awesome, and you can make really good money of that, both of them. But again, if you're just starting out, look what are your experiences, look at what you have done in the past, and then choose the model after. Like on my channel, you can find a bunch of free tutorials how to do a social media marketing agency and as well as a Shopify dropshipping. So this is video for you guys, pretty much just quick overview on both of these businesses. Oh, and another thing, really cool stuff, you can actually create an agency and then have your services as you do a Shopify inside your agency. So this is pretty cool stuff. So you can actually have an agency, and then if you do also a Shopify, you can add this type of service in your agency and then build actually Shopify stores for local businesses or any other businesses. So that actually, this is what I do for some of my clients. I offer them a building an online store and sell their products on there. So this is actually for you an idea that you can kind of combine them in future if you would do both of these two different types of businesses. And I also want to actually announce pretty cool stuff. In these, I believe in a couple of weeks, you will start seeing ads on. I'm launching a car dealerships dominance course, where actually I'm going to be teaching you how you can go out there and build your car dealership agency. We just start working with car dealerships and they will be paying you from $1,000 to $5,000 a month. So pretty exciting stuff. I'm not selling you anything here on my channel. As you know, you will see ads where actually I'm going to run a free webinar where I'm going to be teaching you how you can get actually car dealership clients. So whenever you start seeing these ads, make sure to click on the ad and attend that webinar, because I'm going to share so much free information and free stuff, and also I'm going to throw a few bonuses for you. Really exciting stuff, guys. Again, I just want to make this quick announcement and just give you a quick overview of these two different business models. If you like this stuff, and if you would leave the like somewhere below out there, I would appreciate that so much. And if you also have any questions, make sure to leave the comment. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
We were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.